Unlock the secret to happiness. How to always be happy with Stoicism. Welcome back to Stoic Master of Life channel, where we explore timeless wisdom to enrich our modern lives. Have you ever wondered how to find true happiness? Today, we're diving into the profound philosophy of Stoicism to unlock the secret to lasting happiness. Let's get started. Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of peace and purpose, regardless of the chaos that life throws at you. That's what Stoicism can offer. Let me tell you a personal story. A few years ago, I found myself overwhelmed with stress and anxiety, juggling work pressures and personal challenges. I stumbled upon the teachings of Marcus Aurelius and Seneca, two great Stoic philosophers, and decided to give Stoicism a try. The transformation was incredible. I started each day with a reflective practice, focusing on what I could control and letting go of what I couldn't. Slowly, I found myself becoming more resilient, more content, and yes, genuinely happier. Stick with me till the end of this video, and you'll discover how Stoicism can unlock the secret to a truly happy life, just as it did for me. Introduction to Stoicism. Stoicism, an ancient philosophy founded in Athens by Zeno of Citium around 300 BC, has stood the test of time. It offers profound insights and practical wisdom that remain relevant in our modern world. At its core, Stoicism teaches us that virtue, living a life of moral excellence, is the highest good. It emphasizes the importance of understanding what is within our control and accepting what is not. Famous Stoic philosophers like Marcus Aurelius, Epictetus, and Seneca have left behind invaluable teachings. Marcus Aurelius, a Roman emperor, documented his reflections in Meditations, a timeless guide to personal resilience and ethical living. Epictetus, once a slave, taught that true freedom comes from within, a message captured in his Discourses. Seneca, a statesman and playwright, provided practical advice on facing life's challenges in his letters and essays. Why Stoicism is relevant today. In today's fast-paced, often chaotic world, the principles of Stoicism are more relevant than ever. We face constant stress, uncertainty, and a barrage of distractions. Stoicism provides tools to navigate these challenges with grace and composure. By focusing on what we can control, our thoughts, actions, and responses, we can cultivate inner peace and resilience. Contemporary practitioners of Stoicism, such as best-selling author Ryan Holiday and cognitive behavioral therapist Donald Robertson, demonstrate the philosophy's applicability in modern life. They show us how Stoic principles can help us manage stress, improve our relationships, and lead more fulfilling lives. The core principles of Stoicism. At the heart of Stoicism are several key principles. 1. Virtue is the highest good. Virtue, for Stoics, means living in accordance with reason and nature. It's about moral excellence and striving to be the best version of ourselves. 2. The dichotomy of control. This fundamental Stoic concept teaches us to distinguish between what we can control, our thoughts, actions, and reactions, and what we cannot, external events, other people's actions. By focusing only on what we can control, we free ourselves from unnecessary worry and anxiety. 3. Amor fati. This Latin phrase means, love of fate. It encourages us to embrace everything that happens in our lives, both good and bad, as necessary and beneficial for our growth. How to practice Stoicism daily. Incorporating Stoic principles into daily life can transform our mindset and well-being. Here are some practical ways to practice Stoicism every day. 1. Morning and evening reflections. Start your day with a moment of reflection, setting intentions based on Stoic principles. End your day by reviewing your actions and thoughts, considering how you can improve. 2. Practical exercises for Stoic mindfulness. Practice mindfulness by focusing on the present moment and accepting it without judgment. Use techniques like deep breathing and meditation to stay grounded. 3. Journaling as a Stoic practice. Keep a journal to record your thoughts, reflections, and progress. Writing helps clarify your mind and reinforce Stoic teachings. Stoic techniques for managing emotions. Stoicism offers effective techniques for managing emotions and maintaining inner peace. 1. Cognitive reframing. This involves changing your perspective on challenging situations. Instead of seeing obstacles as negative, view them as opportunities for growth. 2. Negative visualization. Regularly contemplate worst-case scenarios to prepare yourself mentally and emotionally. This practice helps you appreciate what you have and reduces fear of the unknown. 3. Voluntary discomfort. Occasionally expose yourself to discomfort, such as fasting or taking cold showers. This builds resilience and reminds you of your ability to endure and overcome difficulties. Stoicism and personal resilience. Building personal resilience is a cornerstone of Stoic philosophy. Stoics believe that adversity is not something to be feared but embraced as a source of strength and growth. By accepting and embracing challenges, we develop mental toughness and a deeper appreciation for life's highs and lows. Stoic wisdom for relationships. Stoic philosophy can greatly enhance our relationships by promoting empathy, understanding, and emotional stability. Applying Stoic principles to our interactions with others allows us to build stronger, more meaningful connections. 1. Detachment and emotional stability. Stoicism teaches us to maintain emotional stability and avoid becoming overly attached to external outcomes. This helps in managing conflicts and maintaining composure during disagreements. 2. Compassion and understanding. Stoics emphasize the importance of understanding others' perspectives and practicing compassion. Recognizing that everyone is fighting their own battles can foster deeper empathy and patience in relationships. 3. Setting boundaries. Stoicism encourages us to set healthy boundaries in our relationships. By understanding our own values and limits, we can navigate interactions more effectively and maintain mutual respect. Stoicism and professional success. In the professional realm, Stoic principles can lead to greater focus, productivity, and ethical decision-making. Here's how Stoicism can be applied to achieve professional success. 1. Focus and productivity. By concentrating on what we can control and letting go of distractions, we can enhance our productivity and achieve our goals more efficiently. 2. Handling workplace stress and pressure. Stoic techniques for managing emotions, such as cognitive reframing and mindfulness, can help us cope with workplace stress and maintain a calm demeanor under pressure. 3. Ethical decision-making. Stoicism promotes integrity and ethical behavior. By adhering to our principles and values, we can make decisions that are not only beneficial to us, but also to those around us. Stoicism and physical health. Stoicism also extends to physical health, emphasizing the mind-body connection and the importance of maintaining a healthy lifestyle. 1. Mind-body connection. Stoics believe that a healthy mind leads to a healthy body. Practicing mindfulness and reducing stress can have positive effects on our physical well-being. 2. Healthy lifestyle choices. Stoic principles encourage moderation and self-discipline. This can be applied to diet, exercise, and overall lifestyle choices to promote long-term health and wellness. 3. Endurance and resilience. Embracing discomfort and building resilience through voluntary discomfort can improve physical stamina and mental toughness. Stoicism and mental health. Mental health is a critical aspect of Stoic practice. The philosophy provides tools to manage anxiety, depression, and other mental health challenges. 1. Managing anxiety and depression. Stoic techniques such as negative visualization and cognitive reframing can help reduce anxiety and provide a more balanced perspective on life's challenges. 2. The role of meditation in Stoicism. Meditation is a key practice in Stoicism, helping to calm the mind, increase self-awareness, and promote inner peace. 3. Building a resilient mindset. Stoicism teaches us to view setbacks as opportunities for growth, fostering a resilient and positive mindset even in the face of adversity. The role of fate and acceptance in Stoicism. A central tenet of Stoicism is the acceptance of fate, known as amor fati. This principle encourages us to embrace all aspects of life, both positive and negative, as essential parts of our journey. 1. Amor fati. Loving fate means accepting everything that happens as necessary and beneficial, allowing us to find peace and contentment regardless of circumstances. 2. Accepting what cannot be changed. By focusing on what is within our control and accepting what is not, we can reduce unnecessary stress and anxiety. 3. Finding peace through acceptance. Acceptance allows us to let go of resistance and find tranquility in the present moment, no matter what life brings. Stoic responses to common life challenges. Stoicism provides practical guidance for handling various life challenges with grace and resilience. 1. Handling grief and loss. Stoicism teaches us to accept loss as a natural part of life and to find strength in our ability to endure and grow from it. 2. Dealing with failure. Viewing failure as a learning opportunity rather than a setback can help us stay motivated and continue striving towards our goals. 3. Managing uncertainty and change. Embracing uncertainty and change as inevitable aspects of life allows us to adapt more easily and maintain our inner peace. Stoic teachings on wealth and possessions. Stoicism offers a unique perspective on wealth and material possessions, emphasizing the importance of inner contentment over external wealth. 1. The Stoic view on material wealth. Stoics believe that true happiness comes from within and is not dependent on material wealth. They advocate for simplicity and contentment with what we have. 2. Finding contentment with less. Practicing gratitude and focusing on non-material sources of happiness can lead to a more fulfilling and less stressful life. 3. Generosity and charity in Stoicism. Stoics encourage generosity and helping others, viewing it as a way to cultivate virtue and contribute to the greater good. Stoicism and social responsibility. Stoicism promotes a sense of social responsibility and ethical living, encouraging us to contribute positively to society. 1. Stoic perspectives on community and service. Stoics believe in the importance of contributing to the well-being of our communities and helping those in need. 2. Ethical living and social contribution. Living in accordance with Stoic principles involves making ethical choices that benefit not only ourselves but also those around us. 3. Balancing self-interest with the greater good. Stoicism teaches us to balance our personal goals with a sense of duty to the greater good, promoting harmony and mutual respect. The influence of Stoicism on modern thought. Stoicism has significantly influenced modern thought, especially in psychology, leadership, and popular culture. 1. Stoicism in psychology. Stoic principles are foundational to cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, a widely used psychological treatment. CBT helps individuals challenge and change unhelpful cognitive distortions and behaviors, similar to Stoic practices of cognitive reframing and mindfulness. 2. Stoicism's impact on leadership and management. Many modern leaders and managers use Stoic principles to enhance their decision-making, resilience, and ethical leadership. The emphasis on virtue, rationality, and emotional control helps create more effective and balanced leaders. 3. Cultural references to Stoicism in media. Stoicism is frequently referenced in books, films, and other media, highlighting its enduring relevance. Characters embodying Stoic virtues often serve as role models for resilience and ethical behavior. Stoicism and personal growth. Personal growth is a continuous journey, and Stoicism offers a robust framework for self-improvement and achieving personal goals. 1. Continuous self-improvement through Stoic practices. By regularly reflecting on our actions and striving to live in accordance with Stoic principles, we can continuously improve ourselves and our lives. 2. Setting and achieving personal goals. Stoicism encourages us to set meaningful goals aligned with our values and to pursue them with determination and resilience. 3. Reflecting on progress and growth. Regular self-reflection helps us recognize our progress, understand our challenges, and make informed adjustments to our path. Common misconceptions about Stoicism. There are several misconceptions about Stoicism that need to be clarified. 1. Clarifying misunderstandings about Stoicism. Many people mistakenly believe that Stoicism advocates for suppressing emotions or being indifferent to life's experiences. In reality, Stoicism teaches us to manage our emotions and respond to situations rationally. 2. Differentiating Stoicism from apathy. Stoicism is often confused with apathy. However, Stoics care deeply about living a virtuous life and making a positive impact. They seek to remain calm and rational, not detached or unfeeling. 3. The role of emotion in Stoic practice. Stoicism acknowledges the presence of emotions but teaches us to understand and regulate them. The goal is not to eliminate emotions but to prevent them from controlling our actions. Stoicism and spirituality. Stoicism has a spiritual dimension that resonates with various religious and philosophical traditions. 1. The spiritual dimension of Stoicism. Stoicism encourages us to live in harmony with nature and the universe, fostering a sense of connection and purpose. 2. Comparing Stoicism to other spiritual traditions. Many principles of Stoicism overlap with teachings in Buddhism, Taoism, and other spiritual paths, emphasizing mindfulness, acceptance, and ethical living. 3. Finding deeper meaning through Stoic principles. Stoicism helps us find deeper meaning and purpose in life by encouraging us to align our actions with our core values and the greater good. Stoic practices for everyday happiness. Integrating Stoic practices into our daily routines can significantly enhance our happiness and well-being. 1. Simple Stoic habits for a happy life. Incorporating habits such as daily reflections, gratitude practices, and mindfulness can lead to greater happiness and fulfillment. 2. Cultivating gratitude and appreciation. Stoicism teaches us to appreciate what we have and to focus on the present moment, fostering a sense of contentment and joy. 3. Living in harmony with nature. Embracing the natural world and recognizing our place within it can bring a sense of peace and balance to our lives. Thank you for joining me on this journey through Stoicism. By incorporating these timeless principles into our daily lives, we can unlock the secret to true and lasting happiness. Remember, happiness isn't about what happens to us, but how we respond to it. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with your friends.